Okay, what's up guys? Marc, Augustine here. And in this video we're going to give you guys 3 strategies, selling strategies or listing strategies. Basically strategies that make sure you make money dropshipping on Facebook. So like and subscribe. My name is Marc Augustine. I forgot what it means to be a full-time dropshipper because I've been doing it a long time. And when you're doing something a long time and you're good at it, you can get like cocky and like, I know everything. But from talking to Marc, I know that I don't know everything. So comment, give us a like for Marc Augustine saying he doesn't know everything. Alright, Marco, who are you?
Yeah, so my name is Marco. I learned dropshipping from Marc like a few years ago, and I'm doing it on my own on eBay, Amazon, and Facebook.
Right, and we did, my name is Marc Augustine. If you've never seen this before, I've been dropshipping for 10 years and entrepreneur for 17 years. And we're gonna talk about these 3 strategies, and Marco is gonna give you the strategy. I'm gonna ask some questions, and there's one of them I want to break down particularly because I think it is valuable to compare what's working now to what worked before. And I just have a lot of experience with what worked before, and Marco has a lot of experience with what works now. So yeah, so the first strategy, we did a full video about it. It's like selling some cheap ass items. So you could just break that down quickly, summarize it.
Alright, so we talked about this on a previous video. Go check it out if you haven't. And it consists of selling cheap items and then just add a shipping on those items. So let's say you
charge for shipping.
Yeah, you charge for shipping, and let's say you are selling a $2 item, and the profit is not on the item itself; it's on the shipping. So you add a $5 shipping, you'll be making $5 off of a $2 item. That's the first one.
And I think I think one big difference with what I did before, every platform I ever dropship on, eBay, Amazon, Walmart, my strategy always involved free shipping. So I think, and I knew other people did like paid shipping strategies. I just was dumb. I just like fuck it, what I do works. But I think that's interesting. But yeah, so like and subscribe for strategy number 1. So what's the second one? We talked about what was it?
Fast shipping.
Fast shipping. So the first strategy was doing paid shipping of cheap items. The second one is fast shipping. What do you mean?
Right. So by offering fast shipping, okay, we all want like fast shipping, right? We all want the items. Whenever we buy an item, we all want the item to be delivered to us like the fastest possible. Right. So when you can stand out over the competition by offering like fast shipping. So if you have, for example, an Amazon account, a Prime account with a 2-day shipping, and you just like do or just put in the description that this item is gonna be delivered to you within 2 days, you will stand out over the competition like automatically, because maybe they.
And you could also add it to the main image, no?
And you can.
I know that's time consuming.
Yeah. But it works.
Yeah,
it works. And yeah, you'll have more. Just because of that, you'll have more stuff. So this business, I mean, is not for like lazy. If you really want to make money, you also have
go
to
the
like,
extra mile.
Yeah, right. So that's the second one.
Okay, so this is the one I want to break down, right? So in dropshipping, those of you guys who never dropshipped before, you can dropship. You can use suppliers as eBay, Walmart, Amazon, Home Depot, Etsy. Use Etsy. And with Marco's strategy, when he's using Amazon as a supplier, because it's guaranteed fast shipping, you use that to kind of gain the client's attention on Facebook. So this is not if you're using eBay and these other suppliers that you can't guarantee fast shipping. But if you are sourcing your items and doing product research on Amazon, then those listings should show fast shipping. I think that's something that the software guys should like add, so you could easily edit images, because I know this dude, software engineering.
You can do that with Z-Drop.
Automatically edit. Oh, sweet. So yeah, shout out to Z-Drop. Check out Z-Drop at FBM Fox in the description. Anyway, so that's the second one. What's the third one?
Okay, so the third one is promotions. So
and what do you mean by promotion?
That
Promoted listings, paid ads?
No.
Okay.
It's different. So promotions that it's different promotions than promoted listings.
Okay.
So you don't have to run ads. What you can do, or what you do is, you know how to, on Facebook you have the option to offer a discount.
Right.
You can do that on Facebook Marketplace and on Facebook Shop.
And can you do it in bulk?
Yeah,
Like, can you
you can actually do it in bulk. So you can offer a 5% off.
Yeah.
And so, let's say someone has seen your item before.
Do they follow the items and stuff? Because I know, okay, for example, in eBay dropshipping, when you say dropshipping on eBay, you could watch a listing, right?
Watch a listing. No.
Does Facebook have? It must have something where, because you could save a listing.
I'm not sure.
Because when I was looking for cars on Facebook Marketplace, like this past week, I saw you could save or something like that.
Yeah, I think you can.
All right, so we gave you guys 3 strategies on listing or selling or generating sales. The last thing we were talking about when the camera stopped was the fact that buyers on Facebook come back to listings. We don't know. Part of it is Facebook showing them again, but another part of it is, I think, the interaction, whether you like or comment, and when you do a promotion, it will show like potential buyers again this listing. So anyway, check out the link in the description to our free Facebook group. Check out Marco's course, comment, and let us ask us any questions about Facebook dropshipping or entrepreneurship in general. And yeah, please check out the free course. Check out the free course. Check out the free course. Check out the free course.
All right.